Here we are again. We just finished simply making this echo statement. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use multiple lines in our printout. And we're going to try to format that. If we don't put any formatting in, it'll just be one long line. Just stretches across the screen and you'll have scrolling at the bottom. So it doesn't even wrap. So let's go ahead and learn how to do that right from the beginning. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create some more code below this, right? We're going to go on down here, and we can do as many opening and closing of these PHPs as we want. Okay, so click in your screen, hit enter. Let's tell it we're going to do some more PHP code. Oh, see, I've got to do that correctly. All right, then we're going to leave a blank line and do a closing. Okay, do a tab. And we're going to do another echo. All right. And this time, we're going to type a lot. We're going to type I'm typing in the wrong screen again. Okay. Here we go. Echo, quote. Now notice when I put the first quote in, this double quote, it automatically created the other quote after my cursor. So everything that I typed ended up between it. I didn't even have to type this second quote. I can either use my right arrow or I can type that second quote and it won't put an additional one in. So if I use my right arrow, it just puts me on the other side. Or if I want to type the second quote, I can. It doesn't duplicate it. Okay? Then you go ahead and do a semicolon to close it, right? Because that's the end of the statement, the command statement. The command starts with echo, and then the attribute is in the quotes. That's our text we're going to print out. And then the semicolon says that's the end. Now you might be wondering what these are. This BR inside of these less than and greater than signs. Okay? This is from HTML. So the web browser knows what to do with this. This says go ahead and go to the next line and start typing. This one here has two of them in a row, so it's go to the next line and then go to the next line. So it leaves a blank line. Okay, we'll see how that works. Let's go ahead and save this because it's in green up here above the tab. Control S. Now we're going to preview it. So we're going to right click on the file and click preview. Now this time the tab didn't automatically get the focus. It didn't change you over to that other tab, but the tab's still open. So go up there, find that tab, and click on it, and you'll find that it already put it in there. Now, I want you to look closely at this text. It still has our first text in there, because the code is still in the file. This is simply amazing. Let's switch back to the code. This is simply amazing. Now, you would think because our additional one is a second echo statement that it wouldn't be on the same line. But as I said, if you don't tell it otherwise, it's going to just print everything out and keep printing everything out and keep printing everything out. And every echo statement you have anywhere is just going to add it on to the first one. So you've got to give these breaks in here, these line breaks as they're called, the BR, to format it. So let's look again at the output. Click on that tab. This is simply amazing. Welcome to my web application, Sky's the Limit. Then there's a break. Believe me, you're going to love what you see. Then there's a break. Then there's another break. Sign up before it's too late. Okay? So in fact, we have the break after Sky's the Limit, and then a double break after what you see. Over here at the tab, Sky's the Limit, break, and then double break after what you see. So it works. Let's go ahead back to the code, and we're going to put a break on the end of this is simply amazing. So we're going to go ahead and copy this break. You click on one side, hold your left mouse button down and drag across until you have exactly what you want and let go. Okay? Then you hold the control key down and hit C for copy. Hold the control key down, and while you're holding it, just tap the C. That copies that into memory. Now, where do we want to put it? We want to put it after "this is simply amazing" and just inside the quote. So we click in there. We have our cursor in there. It's flashing. Hold the control key down and hit V, and that's paste. And it pastes what's in memory. Now we're good, except we have to save. The green glow is up here. So Control S for save. Now we want to preview this again. So right click the file and go preview. And we have to go find that tab and click on it. And look at that. This is simply amazing. Break. Welcome to my web application. Sky's the limit. Break. Believe me, you're going to love what you see. Break. Break. Sign up before it's too late. Okay? That's how it works.